Alright, man, I'll give you guys a little cold start. I don't know whether it's an eco mode or an auto. If it's an auto, it'll be the full horsepower. If it's an eco, it'll probably be like 500. But yeah, here goes a little cold start. It's probably about like 50, 60 some degrees outside right now, so should be pretty decent. But here we go. This is stock. Let's go see. Let me shut my door first. Here goes this vet that just sits here. You feel me? Bro, my keyless entry sometimes takes what? 2 turns. Yep. See, that was in eco mode, so that sounded pretty decent for a cold start. It was an eco mode. Or was it? Yeah. See? Eco mode. So that was an eco mode. I'll take it out of eco mode real quick. Give you guys another warm start just so it's fair. Alright, you guys, so now we threw it at 700 horsepower instead of eco mode. It's going to be a warm start since I just started the car, but here we go. Alright, man, as you guys can see, it's out of eco mode. It's an auto, 717. Sounded better. It sounded like it had a little more growl than cold start eco, but you know, suspected. I also got 2,500 miles basically. So we're breaking her in, but I'm about to head to work. And yeah, I'm gonna go work, get my money, then I'll pick you guys up when it's time to go to the exhaust shop. And I'll also try to get some revs before I take the mids off just to kind of compare. But yeah, I'll catch you guys at the exhaust shop. Alright, you guys, let me roll these windows up real quick actually. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of downshift and stuff just to hear it driving and stuff. It might not be the best because obviously I'm driving, there's wind. I do have an actual microphone on my camera with the windbreaker on it and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to wait till we get over this hill. I'll give you guys a little acceleration from the inside real quick. I'm probably going to spin. See, this thing is a no traction monster. But I'll give you guys a downshift real quick. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it even with the wind. That's in second gear, and then if we drop it in first, step on a little bit. Downshift, second, and one more back in the first. But my hope is after I get the mid muffler delete, when I downshift and stuff, there's going to be a lot more popping. It's going to obviously be louder. The startup's going to sound meaner. But yeah, that's just a little bit beforehand, a little bit of downshifting and stuff. Alright, man, just one more. See, it has a decent initial little pop, little bang, whatever you want to call it, but like, I need a little more boom, 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 you feel me? A little bit more cracks, and then the little swoosh when I upshift and all that stuff. That's what I loved about my last car. In case you didn't know, but look at this Camaro pulling up. That's one of the new faces. So I'm currently on break at work, but pull up to this parking lot to give you guys some revs, just to try to get it all set up and everything. Turn a little bit. All right, I'll give you guys some revs. This is still the stock one, so here we go. Alright, man, so as you guys can see, I'll have the little res and everything put up pretty much. I'll show you guys what I did. Oh, I need to clean my door. It's getting a little dusty. Turn down Des Loaf. I'll give you guys one from the inside too real quick. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go get some gas, go back to work, and then we should be heading towards the exhaust shop right around 3:30. My appointment's at 4, so alright, man, we just got done filling her up. Gas ain't too bad right now, 373. Shit, matter of fact, I'll give you guys a little startup real quick. It's probably gonna be the alright, you guys, as you can see, I had to stop at Best Buy. So I had this SD card, which is a pretty basic one, 32 gigabytes, not all that fast. I couldn't really record 4K with it. And for some reason it kept saying it was full, even though I had like 5 videos, so I had to stop and grab me one of these Extreme Pros that can record 4K, 64 gigabytes. So yeah, hopefully, you know, the speed and everything might be a little bit better, help with the frames, but the exhaust shop is literally down there, so I'm about to go skate over there and pick you guys back up when we get there. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we're the exhaust shop. Shout out to this guy. He seen me pull up and I revved it, and he smiled when he heard that supercharger. Let me just make sure in auto that it's at full everything, just so that when they get in here, start it up and stuff, after they do it, it'll be at its full power, not eco or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna get in here. I'm a little bit early. It's 3:51. My appointment's at 4. It's looking like these things are pretty low, so my car should have no problem getting up. But yeah, man, here we go. Thing so low, they gotta get the jack. Like I said, he's gonna put his boys onto the YouTube channel. Sons, so shout out to him. Hope we get a good job done right here. Yes, sir. Here goes. Wow, heart rate is through the roof right now. Look at these tires. Yeah, I'm gonna need some new ones soon. Cats up here. I really want to make a lot. I gotta take those off, but
you can't take these off. These are cats.
Yeah, not legally at least.
Right.
So this is what we're taking out. Mid mufflers. Back here is the resonators. Those are staying on. This is my first time under the car, man. This is crazy. Yeah, so pretty much he's gonna saw here, take this whole thing out, put a straight pipe. I think it's gonna be like 2.5, 3 inch maybe. As you guys can see, it has a factory X pipe. So yeah. So you guys can see the push pins from my front lip are still here. It's kind of funny because it ripped off. But yeah, this is under the car. Got the catalytic converters, the X pipe, the mid mufflers which are coming out, and the resonators. So this is why I come here. Yeah, let me move the chair so I can watch this.
Check level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There we go. Thank you. What came off. Look at the inside of that thing, all the texture and stuff. This thing's got some weight to it, but hey, let's get it. Mid mufflers, one pipe, 2 pipe, straight pipe to mid mufflers. Can't wait to hear this thing start up. Got it all lowered. I'm gonna start this bad boy up. Can't wait to hear it. That sounds way better. Give it some gas. That sounds way better. Yes. That sounds a million times better, even on idle. Listen to that thing's blood. Oh my God. Look how wet the thing looks. Yes, sir. I love this car so much. That thing sounds spectacular. Listen to this thing. You hear how that thing roars? Oh my God, I'm too lit right now, guys. I'm just too happy, man. Even just the downshifts. You hear that thing snap. You hear that? You hear that pop? You hear that pop? Oh my God, bro. Let's try to get that pop again. That pops like every couple, man. It sounds so good though, bro. This is how Hellcat should sound from the factory. This is what a Hellcat should sound like. It's got the name Hell in front of the cat for a reason, bro. This is a Hellcat now. Not a, you know, down below cat. This is a Hellcat. Listen to this thing and tell me it's not a Hellcat. Like, this thing is pissed off. I don't know what God did to my car. Well, actually I did it, but this thing is pissed off now. That sounds way better. Oh my God. It's literally just an auto, man. Listen to it. Listen to the idle, bro. This sounds like it's canned damn near. I love it, bro. I should have done this when I got this thing. Alright, you guys, man. So basically, I don't want to be in here revving in my neighborhood. I don't want to be commotion. I already got one complaint with the V6, so I can't imagine a Hellcat about the noise. So I'm about to go to this little abandoned neighborhood right next to where, you know, kind of where I live at. So I'm going to go over there, get some revs and stuff. That'll be the end of the video. And yeah, man, I'm honestly super happy, man. It could be louder on startup, but I really think it's just like that just because, you know, I have been driving it, revving and all that stuff, so it's definitely a warm start. But yeah, I'm about to head over to that little neighborhood and get some revs in. That'll be in the video. I'm super happy, man. The difference between this mid-pipe delete on this and then my V6 is insane. Like, this makes a huge difference on a V8, a supercharged V8. On my V6, I didn't really do anything. I was unhappy when I got done on my V6. I had to take the resonators off, but that thing sounds good, man. That thing sounds very good. Alright, you guys, man, that's going to be the end of today's video, man. We finally did some with the exhaust. I've been saying since day one it's a little too quiet for my liking. Well, yeah, man, if you guys got any questions or anything, man, just hit me up in the comments, DM on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, man. I'll help you guys out with whatever. I'm literally still in the work fit. As you guys can see, I ain't been home. Well, I was just home for like 10 minutes, but I ain't been home since like 8 a.m. It's probably almost 8 p.m. right now, so I'm excited to go home, chill out for a little bit. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment what you think, what you want to see in future videos. Subscribe if you're new, turn that bell on. And yeah, man, I'm not letting up. I've been kind of bullshitting myself. I just didn't know how to manage everything that I had going on, but I think I got a good grip now. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.